Hey guys, back with another review. This time I have the Air Choice. This is a panel heater. You can see the model there, PH-08H. And just to kind of show you the sizes, so the product size itself is right about 2 feet by 2 feet. The only thing I've done so far is I just cut the tape on the top. I've not actually pulled anything out. So let's see, may have to tell you what, let me set the phone down here and we'll see if we can get this captured. Kind of an interesting packing here. This is something that you would mount on the wall. As you can see, it's actually very, very thin. And let's see. I'll take a look at the instructions here in just a moment. So you can see what it looks like. Very, very thin. I would say, you know, probably just over maybe 1/4 of an inch thick. And interesting material. It's not, I thought it was going to be like a glossy finish, but it's not. It's like a matte finish, and it feels like it's painted. But you can see what it looks like. That's the only thing there. I'm guessing it just has probably a wire inside and just a simple on-off switch. So give me just a minute to get this plugged in, and we'll come back and take a look at what kind of heat it's putting out. Okay, so just to kind of give you a look, I've got the tools and everything unpacked. It does come with a drill bit, and then it's got drywall style anchors that are included. Zoom in a little bit there, as well as caps that will cover the ends of the screws when you mount those in the unit. It's got a registration card and then the instruction manual. So if we look at some of the details in the instruction manual, this is you can see here, a 400 watt heater, 120 volts. And this is, it says it draws about 12.5 amps during regular operation. Basically, just kind of flipping through here, does have overheat, safety protection, and all that sort of thing. But basically, it's just an on-off, and I would see this as the type of heater that you might use in, you know, maybe like even a mechanical room, something that you don't want to freeze, somewhere maybe like where you have water pipes coming into the building, that sort of thing, because it does not have any type of adjustment to the temperature, and it's just an on-off switch with regard to how it works. So I've just got this for right now. I just have it just sitting up against the wall here, and it is turned on. The light does come on when it's turned on, and I can feel it starting to warm up. But just to kind of show you what this looks like, so about 100 degrees, and this is in Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Fahrenheit in the middle, steadily coming up, and you can kind of see, you know, going out to the edge. And of course, if I just go, like, for example, to my wall, you can see my wall temperature right now, what that's at. So about right around 70 degrees. And I can feel just a very gentle heat coming off of it. And you can see the warning there. So it does say to keep things away by about 3 feet, give or take, from the front and the top. It says front and top. And You know, this might be good maybe in a bathroom, for example, since it's just all self-contained. But again, you can see the temperature that we have here. But it is rather large. This is, again, this is about 2 feet square, and it is certainly warm to the touch. Again, that was around, what do we say, around 100 degrees, 120 degrees. Be interesting to kind of see what it maybe tops out at. But certainly some variation as you go through, probably just depending on where the wires are inside of this, this medium. It feels almost like a ceramic type medium. I'm not sure what it's made of, but feels kind of ceramic. It does have some decent weight to it, almost like a radiator. This would be perfect for that, and it's not super thick. Again, maybe just a hair more than 1/4 of an inch, and then you got your standoffs from the wall, which you can see right here. And so it's maybe about 3/4 of an inch going from the wall to what would be the back of the unit, and then this would be the front of the unit. So you're probably about 1 inch away from the wall where you have the flat surface. But again, Air Choice panel heater, PH-08H, and yeah, there it is. I would definitely give it a recommend. Thanks for watching.